In previous CFD tutorials, I've very much just covered the basics of what CFDs are, how they work, your basic steps before you do get into trading, which is obviously your trading plans, more importantly your risk and money management, which is quite vital to any CFD trading strategy. And now I really wanted to just move on to an area which is quite possibly the most talked about topic in CFD trading. It is the trend at the moment, and I'm assuming will be for quite some time, which is using technical analysis to, I suppose, pick your trades and make some money in the CFD markets or in a lot of markets in general. So yes, technical analysis is the most popular for CFDs, especially because of the leverage. Technical analysis can really allow you to make some big profits with a little bit more certainty rather than just guessing trades or directions or trends in certain markets. Some people do use fundamental analysis, which we've discussed previously, which is really picking a stock based on its merits, its profitability, its management, upcoming announcements and so forth, to therefore revalue that stock or FX pair or commodity at a certain price and then trade in that fashion. But again, we will touch on fundamental analysis at some stage. A lot of people do tend to use that as a backup or I suppose as a reconfirmation of a trade. But in this instance, I really do want to touch on technical analysis. Via my trading platform that I use, we will be looking at a lot of charting, some drawing instruments throughout our time together. We will start with the basics, especially candlestick trading. I will walk through candles and how they work. They are the most basic. I'm going to run on a lot of the indicators that Web Iris does offer, which is my trading platform. So you can see here, we'll start with moving averages. We'll move through some oscillators and quite a few other different technical indicators that will help you for your technical analysis. We'll look at quite a few areas just so that people have a much better idea of how it works and how you can implement it into your trading. There'll be a lot more video tutorials available for you moving forward. So I just wanted to give you a brief outline of what's going to happen moving forward. You can see here a lot of the different indicators that we will touch on, which are your most basics. Some people do use charting packages, so no doubt I will introduce you to some other charting packages and market scanning software at a later stage, which is once we've more developed the basics for technical analysis first. Also towards the end, there is a lot of reading material out there. A lot of people do go to seminars, education seminars, which can also help you out. So again, this is just a bit of an introduction to technical analysis. Do look out for the next post, as this is really going to start to get into the nitty-gritty of technical analysis, how it works and how we can implement it for some successful trading.